What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise for 20 minutes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes I cook dinner.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
How often do you shop?
I shop once a week.
What do you buy most often?
I usually buy groceries.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
My dog's name is Max.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure books.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, every weekend.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, I do.
What type of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it every day.
Which app do you use the most?
I use Instagram the most.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What country would you like to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 8 hours.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes I do.
What is your favorite season?
Spring is my favorite season.
Why do you like spring?
Because the weather is pleasant.
Do you enjoy rainy days?
Yes, they are relaxing.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay home and read.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play badminton.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What do you do there?
I do weight training.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What is your best dish?
I make great pasta.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
How much water do you drink?
About 2 liters a day.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I do.
How often do you visit them?
Once or twice a week.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with family.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is painting.
How long have you had this hobby?
For about 5 years.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it is convenient.
What do you usually buy online?
Clothes and books.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I do.
What plants do you grow?
I grow flowers and herbs.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, blue.
Why do you like blue?
It feels calm and peaceful.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
I prefer mornings.
Why do you like mornings?
Because I feel energetic.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, every day.
Where do you get your news?
Mostly online.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do.
How do you practice English?
I watch English videos.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you a friendly person?
Yes, I think so.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I watch TV or read.
Do you call your family often?
Yes, every day.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
Why do you want that job?
Because I enjoy helping people.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
Do you enjoy taking photos?
Yes, I do.
What do you photograph?
Nature and people.
Do you prefer city life or village life?
I prefer city life
Why do you like city life?
because everything is nearby.
What do you do before bed?
I read a book.
Do you set an alarm?
Yes, every night.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I will visit my friends.
Do you enjoy your daily routine?
Yes, most of the time.
What makes your day better?
Spending time with family and friends.
How often do you clean your room?
Once a week.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually do first in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you eat lunch at home or outside?
Usually at home.
How do you spend your free time?
I watch videos and read books.